ABELI, and today we have a fun unboxing. As it was announced, Nintendo came out with the Nintendo Sound Clock Alarmo. So I'm pretty excited to open this up. First, let's kind of talk a little bit about it. So obviously it's an alarm clock, but it's also, if you just want a regular clock, tap around. What's cool though is every top of the hour, one of the little characters does like a fun animation. So it's a fun clock, it's an alarm clock, and let's see what else we have here. So you can stop the alarm just by getting up, so you can move your body to quiet the alarm, and once you get out of bed, the alarm completely stops. What's cool though is if you don't get out of bed and you don't turn off the alarm or anything, the music starts getting like louder and like changes. So for example, it'd be like Bowser's theme song, or it could be like the Sentinels in Legend of Zelda. So fun ways to like make you want to get out of bed, but unless you want to hear those songs, and then you just stay in. The clock screen can change to fit your chosen alarm, so you can change the different characters. Currently there are 5 different titles that you can choose from. Super Mario Odyssey, Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild, Splatoon, Pikmin 4, and Ring Fit Adventure. And they, if you hook it up to the internet, you can get 2 more, which was Mario Kart and Animal Crossing. So choose whichever one fits you best and go from there. As far as the placement is concerned, for the compatible bed sizes, you have anywhere from a twin to a king, so pretty much any type of bed out there. You want it to be facing the center of the bed, so that way it can trace your movements, and you want it to be within arm's reach, so that way it can see your arms moving. As far as height, it looks to be like you don't want it to be any more than 8 inches above the bed, so most end tables are around that, so I think you should be good to go. It does require at least a 7.5 watt AC adapter with a USB-A port or a Nintendo Switch AC adapter, which is sold separately to plug it in. So I think that's all of it. Let's go ahead and open it up and see it. See how easy this box is. Oh, very easy. Good. All right, so we got our usage manual. And it looks like a USB-C to USB-A cord. But it does not come with an actual like adapter. You do have to have that. Luckily we have plenty around the house, so we should be good there. Let's see the little guy. Oh my gosh, he's cute. Oh, just a cute little, like you almost like expect it to have like a face, because like you have like the 2 little legs and the little like face thing up here. You can actually press it, which is cool, and turn it. And then it has 2 little buttons on top, which looks like a back button and a message button. Let's see if I can figure out what the message button's for. Doesn't really say on here. Well, I guess we're gonna have to plug it in and find out. So let's go and find a long enough cord. We'll be right back. All right, we're back. So I got a long enough cord. So the cord spot goes in right underneath. It does have kind of like an in spot, so it's not like on the back like what I would normally have thought. So we're gonna go ahead and plug it in. And it turns on. So it's showing that you can turn the dial. You can press the top. Ooh, and we want English. Yes. Okay, and so it is telling us what these buttons are for. So the button that looks like backwards is you can use the back button if you want to go back to the previous screen. Selecting our time zone. So today's date. And the time. Okay, so now we have the time and date. So now you can turn the dial to raise or lower the volume. Oh, that's cool. I think that's a good volume. Try waving your hand in front of the screen. Woo! That's cool. Huh. That's fun. All right, place the clock on a flat surface, then move your body to left to right. I don't know if that's gonna work. Whoop, whoop, whoop. So we're gonna turn the first X so I can move back and forth. That's so cool. Okay. Try moving farther away than coming close. And then he goes away, and then he's back. Well done. Okay. So the clock's motion sensor can tell when you move your body. The range of detection is called the sensor zone. Now we'll set up the clock sensor zone. Okay, so a lot of this is probably going to be easier to set up at a later point, so that way I can't actually show you guys when it's turned. But we did find out what the little letter on the top is. It is for notifications, so it shows kind of different things. You can also track your sleeping habits. So if you're curious about if you move or anything like that in the night, it can definitely track that as well. But we're pretty excited to try this out and to have it set up. We'll put some more information in our socials. The links are down in the description down below, and we'll also leave a link to buy this product if you're interested. Otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and we'll catch you guys later. Bye.